If you are looking to accept recurring payments and subscriptions on your WordPress.com site, Gravity Forms is the perfect solution for you. With Gravity Forms, you can seamlessly integrate your forms with Stripe, making it quick and easy to get up and running collecting recurring payments. To get started, head to the Gravity Forms add-ons page to install and activate the Gravity Forms Stripe add-on. Next, navigate to the Gravity Forms settings page and select Stripe. Follow the instructions on screen to sync your forms with Stripe. Then, open the form editor for the form you would like to use to collect payments, or alternatively, create a new form from scratch. Add the Stripe field, then click on it to open the field settings. Here you can choose to enable additional payment methods, including Apple and Google Pay and ACH debit. You can manage all these payment methods in the Stripe dashboard. You can also select to enable Link, Stripe's accelerated checkout option. Link automatically fills your customers' payment and shipping details for them at checkout, streamlining the checkout process and helping to improve conversions. Next, save your form and navigate to the Forms settings page and select Stripe. In order to accept payments, you will need to create a feed, which will configure the data you'd like to send from your form to Stripe. Select Add New and give the feed a descriptive name. For the transaction type, you will want to select Subscription to allow this form to collect recurring payments. You can then give your subscription a name to customize how it will appear within the Stripe dashboard. You will then want to use the Recurring Amount field to specify which form field determines the recurring amount that the user will be charged. Below the Recurring Amount field, you can specify the billing cycle to determine the frequency of the recurring payment. For this example, I am going to set the recurring amount to correspond with the form total field, and then set the billing cycle to once per month. If needed, you can charge users with a setup fee, as well as enable a trial period, letting users test drive your product for a specified length of time before any payments are processed. Next, under the Stripe credit card field settings, map the billing information settings to their respective form fields to specify the data that is sent from your form to Stripe. And under Other Settings, map the customer information settings to their corresponding form fields. If you need, you can configure additional customer data to send to Stripe using the metadata key and value fields. Finally, you can enable conditional logic to only process this form once certain conditions are met. For instance, if you only ship your product within the United States, you could use conditional logic to only process this feed if the user's shipping address is within the US. Once your feed is set up, be sure to save your settings. Now, you'll be able to use this form on a live page or post on your WordPress.com site to easily collect recurring payments with Stripe. If you have any questions, be sure to sound off in the comments. Thank you for watching.